Hello from Leader Valley, home of the Leadership Series sessions. My name is Terry Trask, and I had the privilege of facilitating our recent Unconscious Bias workshop. I'm going to be really honest. When Franklin Covey first rolled out this content, based around this book, The Leader's Guide to Unconscious Bias, I thought, great, we could use some solid material around race and gender. Little did I know how limited that view really was. Just one of the reasons that I, and actually everyone, needs to experience the unconscious bias journey. The survey data from our participants in our first class confirmed that I was not the only one who benefited. We asked them on a scale of 1 to 4 what the value of this workshop was for them. 80% gave it a resounding 4, and the other 20% said a 3. 85% said they actually now are more aware of their own bias. Now, we all have bias. And that phrase, if you have a brain, you have bias, it's true. Simply a part of our internal programming. However, Leader Valley's Unconscious Bias Workshop, it can help you rewire that programming. Our participants from the first session are already well on their way. 95% said that they will use the skills of empathy and curiosity to address bias. And 85% reported that they will now use strategies to act with courage when confronting bias. This workshop content is intentionally designed to create awareness, connection, and commitment. 95% of our participants said they would recommend it to a colleague. And here's the good news. We have another session coming up April 28th and 29th from 8 to 11:30 both days. It's all virtual, so you can join us from anywhere with a solid Wi-Fi connection. We encourage you to use the link below to register and join us so that you can focus on the power of meaningful change to impact and get positive results.